Hi, to take screenshots on your Samsung Galaxy A35, we got several ways. The first one is basic and simple. You just need to find the power button and volume down buttons, and you need to quickly press them at the same time and the screenshot will be taken. Let me show you one more time. So power button and volume down. Press, and here we can see that the screenshot is taken, and we can choose with the help of which app we want to open it. And by the way, we can immediately edit it if we just tap on this pen icon. Here we can draw something on the screenshot, for example, or we can just share with this screenshot, or we can save it to gallery immediately. We can erase drawings here, and we can resize it, of course. Let me tap this arrow to save it. And now I'm going to show you another way how to take a screenshot. For that, we just need to swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, and then you'll need to swipe again to check more features. And here you should find take a screenshot feature. If you cannot find it, just not on your first or second pages, then tap this pen icon here, go in this full edit screen and check it in the list of available buttons. So just scroll through this list and find this take screenshot feature. You need to tap on it and it would be immediately added to your control center. You can also press and hold this icon and drag it to the first page, for example, and then tap done button. And now what we are gonna do is we can open any page, we can open any website, just anything you wanna take a screenshot of. Then you need to swipe down 2 times, tap take screenshot, and the screenshot will be taken immediately. Let's do it one more time. I'm gonna open Samsung Internet and here swipe down 2 times, take a screenshot, and yep, now the screenshot is taken. And the coolest way how to take a screenshot is with the help of your palm. So you just need to palm swipe to the left or to the right side and the screenshot will be taken. Let's try this out. And yep, you saw that the screenshot is taken. Let's try this out one more time. And yep, the screenshot is taken as well. So if something does not work right for you, then maybe this feature is disabled. To check this, go in the settings. From here, scroll to choose advanced features. And after that, go in motion and gestures. Here, scroll till the end and you should see this blue switcher near the palm swipe to capture feature, meaning it is enabled. If you see that it is gray like that, tap on it and enable this cool feature. And now let me show you different type of screenshot, which is scrolling screenshot. So I'm just gonna explain to you. Let's open Samsung Internet. Here we can open anything. Let me just search something here. And yep, we open this web page. And if we scroll, we can see that we got here a lot of information and we can capture everything with the help of scrolling screenshot. For that, as we did before, press and hold power and volume down buttons. And now you should see this arrow, which you need to tap to capture the whole page. Continue tapping on this arrow. If you are not finished capturing page, just tap on the arrow to capture all of the information. And when you are done, you just need to tap on the screenshot itself and select with the help of which app you want to open it. Let's choose gallery. And now this is how this screenshot will look. You can zoom in a bit and check the whole page. So you can just scroll like that. And this is like full-size screenshot. And that one was just usual screenshot, right? And this is scrolling screenshot. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!